All right, listen up. You know deep down why you're broke. You've been making poor decisions, staying in that dead-end job, and settling for a life that's far from the luxury you truly deserve. Wake up. Your friends are out there investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies, building high-income skills, and living the life you only dream of. Meanwhile, you're stuck in a rut, making excuses and missing out on opportunities that could change your life. You're watching others enjoy freedom, luxury, and fulfillment while you're still counting pennies. It's time to shake things up. Start by investing in yourself. Take courses, learn new skills, and don't be afraid to take risks. Financial discipline is key. Create a budget, stick to it, and watch your money grow. Change your mindset. Believe you can achieve greatness, and you will. You have the power to turn your life around. Don't let another day go by feeling sorry for yourself. Take control, make smart investments, build high-income skills, and watch your wealth grow. Don't waste another minute. You deserve better. So like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description to start your journey to financial freedom. You can earn millions in the next 6 months or less, depending on how much you're willing to hustle. It's time to make a change. It's time to get rich. Let's do this.